Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. This is the smaller cab version, but this is a really great small truck. This has the V6 motor in it, which has a great amount of torque and a great amount of power. So this is Summit White on jet black and dark ash. Total price of $33,895. Oh, what is this? Extended cab. So if you want to access the back, open that, and then open that. Does look really good though. I do love the looks of these. So this one's one of our work trucks. So this is pretty much mid-range, mid-trim. Really nice interior for what it is. Huge center console. Apparently that's not a charging port. So mated with this naturally aspirated V6 is a 8-speed automatic. Really good transmission, and I've heard they're really reliable as well, which is great for a work truck like this. As you can see, a ton of power. Really torquey, really has a lot of thrust behind it. I love this motor. What's nice is, even though this is kind of the mid-trim, you still have an excellent center display that has all the features and infotainment of the modern Chevrolets, which is great. The ride is really, really good. That's one thing that's really surprising me about it. I thought it would be a lot rougher than it actually is, but it's actually very livable on a day-to-day basis. Overall, I really like this truck. This is a really nice truck, and in the age where, you know, Silverado 1500s, like the quarter ton trucks, quarter ton. Yeah, they're 3/4 tons. Those are up there in price. So if you just need something with a bed, this is an excellent choice, and it's a really, really good bargain for what you're getting. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Please like, share, subscribe, and have a great day.